Hello, we are Group 6. Our group went to CDU Chinese restaurant to learn more about the restaurant's service process structure and quality using the service blueprint and Reddit model. As a result, we arrived at CDU Chinese restaurant for lunch. First of all, we arrived at CDU Chinese restaurant. The staff gave us a dim sum card and told us the table number. Another staff has led us to the table. We observed that the employees are very friendly. The staff is being polite during the whole process. We are generally impressed with the restaurant's layout and service design. The space was bright and welcoming, creating a comfortable atmosphere for dining. Therefore, it's satisfactory.
After we sat down, we realized there is a QR code for us to order food. A very inviting and comforting restaurant design that allows us to access the menu quickly without waiting for a server. The link was easy to use, making the ordering process smooth and convenient.
The first favorite point is the long waiting time for food. We have waited for 14 minutes for some dim sum to come.
While the restaurant is quite empty, some of the dim sum such as rice flavored rolls should be served faster.
The second favorite point is the cleanliness and hygiene problem at the restaurant. We can observe that the cabins appear a bit dirty, which affected the overall impression of the restaurant's cleanliness. Also, there is trash tissue observed on the floor, and the utensils such as teapots were noticeably dirty, with numerous stains present on them. In terms of tangible, the restaurant performs bad. The third favorite point was the treatment error in terms of customer service. When we tried to catch the attention of the staff to place an order and add some hot water, they ignored for help. They failed to be attentive to their surroundings and identify if any customers needed assistance, as they were overly focused on their task. We had to raise our hands for around 1 minute before any staff member noticed us. In terms of responsiveness, the restaurant performs bad. As the dining time is 1 hour approximately, the staff comes and asks us to check the bill. The dishes were served correctly and bill were checked correctly. While we are leaving the restaurant, the staff reminds us to take all our belongings before leaving. It shows one of the service quality assurance. The politeness conveys trust to us. In terms of reliability and empathy, the restaurant performs good. For the possible solution, firstly, we suggest that the restaurant should enhance staff distribution and communication. One noticeable challenge was the uneven distribution of staff across different areas of the restaurant. To address this, we suggest introducing a dynamic staff allocation system. For example, equipping staff with location tracking badge or a mobile app could allow managers to monitor movement in real time and respond quickly to service gaps. Improving table clearing efficiency. Another area for improvement was the timely removal of used dishes and trash. Delays in clearing tables affected the overall dining atmosphere and customer confidence. A potential solution is to implement a structured service cycle where designated staff members regularly clear tables at set intervals during busy times. Introducing a dedicated busser role, focused solely on clearing and resetting tables, could also ease the burden on servers and allow them to focus more effectively on order taking and food delivery.
Optimizing the QR code ordering experiences. The QR code ordering system was very convenient, but there is still room to make it better. Integrating a real-time order tracking feature could provide customers with estimated wait time for their dishes, adding transparency and reducing uncertainty. Also, the system could help the kitchen by analyzing order patterns and adjusting food preparation when it gets busy.
Adapting to peak time demand. The longer wait times for the second round of dishes show that the kitchen might have trouble during busy periods. To manage this better, we suggest using a real-time demand forecasting system. The system would dynamically adjust kitchen operations based on the volume and timing of incoming orders. Also, if a regular customer visits or making a reservation, the system could recognize their past ordering habits and help predict what they might want.